Ukrainian armored vehicle plows through Russian minefield. Australia's Bushmaster right?
Сьогодні ми вшановуємо силу.
This year, the team of Warthog Defense tracked the war in Ukraine and conflicts across the globe, bringing you insights and updates as events unfold. As we head into 2025, our mission remains the same: to keep you informed on the battles shaping our world. There are signs the war in Ukraine could be approaching a turning point, and with it, perhaps the hope for a lasting resolution. Let's stay vigilant and hopeful for better days ahead. In today's videos, we will make a compilation of the best videos from the past year. So enjoy and let's kick their butts in 2025. A Ukrainian soldier on the front line plays the American national anthem for Russian soldiers. The Russians react with agitation, escalating from gunfire to firing an RPG round at the Ukrainian position. News of American aid has further exacerbated tensions among the Russians. The 82nd Air Assault Brigade ambushed a group of Russian servicemen from the 155th Pacific Fleet Marine Brigade in Kursk. Not a single Russian Marine reportedly survived. The Russian Marine Brigade is supposed to be an elite fighting force, brought here to defeat the Ukrainians in Kursk, but they ended up like this. Perhaps this is poetic justice, as this brigade was boasting about killing Ukrainian prisoners on camera. And more pain for Russian invaders. A Russian convoy, consisting of a tank, VPK Ural armored vehicle, and BTR-80, was ambushed and destroyed by Ukrainian tank fire on the Koronevo-Novoivanovka road in the Kursk region near Kremyanoe. Ukrainian armored vehicle plows through Russian minefield. Australia's Bushmaster right? Breaking news. We have the first footage of a North Korean soldier wounded from a Ukrainian drone attack. He claims that North Korean soldiers have been deceived by the Russians and sent into a meat grinder. This is heavy stuff.
저희가 시설들만 구축하는 할 것이고 실제로 전체는 참여한 것을 거절했습니다. 하지만 저희가 끌수를 교수하자 무작정 공격전에 참가하도록 강요했습니다. 이 러시아 여기들은 공격전에 아무런 정찰도 하지 않고 저에게 먼저 무기도 주지 않습니다. 그가 공격을 시도하자 우크라이나 군이 강한 화살효과 저를 당했습니다. 원래 저 인간이 40명이었는데 제 친구들인 흑철야 경험을 비롯하여 모두 전사했습니다. 80명은 하편에 머리가 잘렸고 저는 전화대 시체 밑에서 살아남을 수 있었습니다. 제 할아버지로서 정확한 우리에게 많은 이야기들을 들었으나 이 존재는 기억하가 있습니다. 그치, 제가 약하기 때문에 저희 전우들이 이 기술을 이용되어 모두 희생한 것입니다. 크루스크는 진 세상의 아닙니다. 우크라이나 군대는 70명 군대들로 구성됐고 강한 위력을 가지고 있습니다. 반면 러시아 군대는 너무나 많은 부위들을 잃었고 저희와 같은 병사들을 공격선에 내전이 있는 상태입니다. 제 눈으로 산자들처럼 쌓여있는 러시아 병사들의 시체들과 복강하게 된 땅과 상하차도 보았습니다. 홀치는 이 전쟁에서 피할 겁니다.
And meanwhile, we have another video with North Korean troops, where Russian forces are teaching North Korean soldiers the Russian language at a training ground in Russia. And we have a funny side of the story. Gideon Rashman, chief foreign affairs commentator for the Financial Times, shares that a reliable source claims North Korean soldiers in Russia are experiencing unfettered internet access for the first time and are consuming large amounts of pornography. Oh, those Russians, they've spoiled yet another great nation. A Russian armored carrier and its assault crew were destroyed by the 225th Assault Battalion, presumably in the Kursk region. Reports indicate that North Korean soldiers have been deployed to the Kursk region to support Russian troops struggling to dislodge Ukrainian incursions. With Russian forces stretched thin and facing significant losses, they've turned to North Korea for reinforcements, hoping these additional troops can help turn the tide. However, this move highlights the desperation of Russia's position, as they're now relying on foreign soldiers to hold key areas. The North Korean forces, likely unprepared for the complexities of modern warfare, are being thrust into a high-stakes conflict, raising questions about their effectiveness and the impact on the already fragile morale among Russian troops. The convoy got F up. Look what's going on here. Let's go. Floor it. A Russian soldier films from his car a convoy of destroyed Russian equipment on one of the numerous so-called roads of death in the Donetsk region. Judging by his reaction, the convoy was subjected to heavy shelling, with some equipment still burning.
Распиздошили колонну, блядь. Ебать. Смотри, что творится, блядь. Пиздец. Ебать. Вот это полево, блядь. Град ебали, что ли? А он сегодня с утра стоял, блядь. У него 830, блядь, нормально. Прилетело что-то, блядь. Танки ебали. А нет, это наши. Ебать. А как будем проезжать? Ебануться, блядь. Ну, мы проскочим, ну.
Не наши, либо
Не наши, дай, бак. Давай, жми.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.